How to create happy birthday video on Instagram by using your photo and music. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create happy birthday video on Instagram by using the photo and music. Just create it by choosing any photos. Like I randomly choose this photo here, tap on the next button. I wanted to put it separately because I can add any photos that I want to by going on the sticker option, tapping on the photos option, and now choose any photos you like. You can also do it with any preferred shapes like circle, square, rectangle, triangle, any of it. Choose more photos, and now I want to make it star shaped. Choose next photo, and this photo I want to make it a heart shape. So after doing this, choose as many photos that you want to. Now you want to choose the music. Tap on the music icon. If I want to choose the happy birthday music, then just tap happy birthday right here. So yeah, the music is already muted. It will also show you the lyrics and some music, but I don't want music. I simply want this one song, so I just prefer this. I tap on no, don't show me the icon. Tap on the done option, and now tap on the 3 horizontal dots which is on the top right side, and tap on the save button right after this. Doing this video will be saved on your gallery and you can post it anywhere you like. So yes guys, this is how you do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and comment on the comment section below.